Hey there, foodies! Today we'll be comparing two of the most popular air fryers on the market, the Ninja Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1. We'll be going through all the features of each product, comparing them side by side. So if you're ready to enjoy delicious and healthy food, let's get started. The Ninja Air Fryer is priced at $89, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is priced at $139. Clearly, the Ninja Air Fryer is more affordable than the Instant Vortex 4-in-1, making it a great budget-friendly option. Both products offer multiple cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, and reheat. The Instant Vortex 4-in-1 also comes with one-touch smart programs for customizable cooking options, making it more versatile than the Ninja Air Fryer. While both products use advanced technology for even cooking and a crispy finish, the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 offers the evenCrisp technology that drives airflow top-down, ensuring a perfect golden finish every time. The Ninja Air Fryer needs to preheat for a recommended time of 3 minutes, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 needs little to no preheating time. This makes the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 a better option for busy schedules and quick meals. Both products offer dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning, making them equally convenient when it comes to cleaning up after cooking. The Ninja Air Fryer comes with a 4-quart capacity, while the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 is designed for 1 to 2 servings. The Ninja Air Fryer is a better option for families or larger households. Both air fryers are energy efficient, with the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 using up to 60% less energy than traditional electric ovens, and the Ninja Air Fryer using up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. So whichever product you choose, you can enjoy guilt-free and energy-efficient cooking. That's a wrap. Both the Ninja Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex 4-in-1 have their own unique features, so it really depends on what you're looking for in an air fryer. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product comparisons and food content.